Hi, it's Sue Moore here from Growth County, another very short 2-minute video in response to the fact that more than 80% of people in a recent survey that I did said they wanted some tips and help to conduct virtual meetings and online meetings. Anything we can do can help, and let's face it, not so long ago we were holding virtual meetings from time to time, but it was by no means the core business. So behind me I've got a few pictorial outlines of things that you need to know about online meetings. I've got a series of about 6 little videos. You can follow me on LinkedIn, and the company's Growth County, and I'm at Sue Moore. So what we're going to talk about tonight is getting prepared for an online meeting or a video call, because quite often I've been told that people are waiting around for somebody to jump on a meeting, and then there's a connection problem, then they can't get the camera working or the audio working, etc, etc. So my tip really would be get prepared. Figure out how to use the technology, practice beforehand, make sure that your phone or your laptop's set up, and check your Wi-Fi connection. We've all seen it when somebody freezes and you're never quite sure whether they're frozen or not, and then everybody's thrown off course from whatever they were talking about. So be prepared. Also look at yourself in your camera. Where are you? Are you right up close? Sorry about that, I know it's might be early in the day. Are you halfway down here? So, you know, by all means, have a look how your camera's set up. It's very easy to buy a stand for your mobile phone if that's what you're using, your laptop. Look at the positioning so that you're in a good position to have a meeting, enjoy it, but also people can see you properly. And the other little tip in terms of getting prepared is always have a look at what's behind you. So I'm well aware that I'm in my home, but I've got this board. Things like this are quite handy. Look what's behind you, because it's all well and good having a look at things that we've got in our home, but A, do you want everybody to see it? And B, is it going to distract from the meeting that you're having or the presentation that you're doing? You might have a beautiful wall full of quotes behind you, but you don't really want people reading them over your right shoulder while you're presenting. So that's my tip on this session, really, is be prepared and think about getting the best out of the meetings before you jump on the meeting. Thank you.